Good morning, everyone. So, today was a very productive day. Early morning, we all woke up and we did all the household chores. I mean, whatever was there. Baby is also sleeping, and now we are free. And even I have finished my breakfast and I'm sitting here and I thought of starting my vlog. So, I just wanted to share with you all that why I started this vlog journey. So, basically, I was not in favor of starting any, kind of a daily vlog. Earlier I used to post my travel videos or anything special, right? All those videos I used to post in YouTube, but I was really not in favor of daily vlog because I don't have so much of time. And even my office will be starting very soon. I mean, after a month my work will resume back, so my maternity leave will get over. So I'm very skeptical that if I will be able to continue this or not. But the reason behind starting the vlog is when my baby was the day she turned 5 months, I just realized that I have already started missing her, newborn phase, her 2 to 3 month old phase. So I was like, I really want to capture all the memories with her in this channel so that it will be there as a memory for all of us. So that was the only intent of starting this daily vlog. But I'm loving it because, I have every tiny moment with her, all the milestone I can capture and I can put it in the vlog. So I'm just loving it. So I hope it should go well and I should able to continue this journey even after my office start. And I have to manage, right? So I will do that. So that's a मेरी बेटी सुबह सुबह नहा धो के एकदम फ्रेश होके बैठी है ना? हाय, इधर कैमरा इधर है, कैमरा मैन फोकस करो.
रेडी रेडी
तो आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं. तो आज हम लोग बनाएंगे बर्गर. एंड हम मतलब मास्टर शेफ इज हियर. से हाय.
हाय.
So what we are going to make today?
Chicken burger with French fries and
So-
potato crisps.
All junk basically.
ब्रेकफास्ट में मैं सोच रही हूँ कि साबूदाना भिगा के रखा था कल
What?
मुझे साबूदाना खिचड़ी
क्या कर रहे हैं?
बनाने वाली
क्या कर रहे हैं? ये यहाँ पे केक में.
But mama, papa, papa.
अरे don't do that. কি করে গেছ তো? We have buns here. Now I'm going to fry patty, and Ronak is going to do what?
Toast the buns.
Toast the buns. Yes. So we have butter. We will have some French fries also. We have some lettuce. Then this is the patty and some cheese, and of course the mayonnaise. And it is a smoky tandoori mayonnaise. Will it be spicy?
Okay.
Because Mama cannot eat more spicy. What are you doing here?
Caramelized onions.
Okay. गरम है.
नो फोटो ग्रुप में भी डाल दो.
अभी नहीं खाना है तुम्हें, 1 महीना वेट करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें. छो- ये क्या तरीका है देखने का? हाँ. फुल स्टंट. बर्गर खाने के बाद आई गॉट अ वेरी नाइस स्लीप एंड आई स्लेप्ट वेरी पीसफुली फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 hours. उसके बाद माई बेबी woke up, so I have to be there with her. And abhi I did not had any mood to go outside for a walk, although I should have gone today for a walk because since I ate so much of junk, but I don't have any mood to go outside today. So my mother went with my baby for a walk, and Ronit is there making edamame for his evening snacks. Although I don't have any mood to eat anything at this moment, so I'm just going to stay as it is, and we will watch one series which we were watching. So we'll continue that and we'll finish that. And if you're thinking what kind of a hairstyle I'm having it, so I can say this is a typical motherhood hairstyle. We don't get any time to, have some maintain some hairstyle because most of the times baby will be pulling the hair, so it will be better to make a bun and just keep it like that. And I have not touched my hair uh, s- since last night, I believe. Even not in morning, I was in the same hairstyle. So I can definitely say this is a motherhood friendly hairstyle for sure. So here Sonic is making vegetable saute for himself, and then what exactly you're making there, Ram? Can you please tell me?
Salted edamame.
Edamame. So, are you season. So he will be using edamame, and this is the sausages. So that's the dinner scene here. Although I'll be having a normal vegetable and chapati because I'm craving for it. I guess we Indians, हमें carbs चाहिए ही होता है. We need carbs. So I need chapati, one chapati at least, and then I'll have some vegetables, and then the sabji, whatever has been prepared today, right? So I'll have that. कहाँ बड़ा कहाँ भूगी सके भगवान उसको नौटंकी और यहाँ बस यहाँ यहाँ subject target subject target Sana Chen. Pika 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 poo. Pika poo. Pika poo. Pika 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 poo. Pika 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 poo. Pika 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 poo. Pika pika pika